Okay, in this class we are going to discuss one. Some of the students was saying me that sir, we have not completed, you have not discussed about the future perfect continuous tense. So in this class I am just giving you a short review about the future perfect continuous tense. Okay, so this is uh, the future perfect continuous tense. uh, Future perfect continuous is used for action which will be in progress over a period of time that will end in the future. Affirmative, this is the affirmative structure of the future perfect continuous tense: subject plus auxiliary verb plus ing form plus object adverbial plus since for plus time intimation. Okay, this is the example, and these are the chart where we use have been, and where do we use will have been. So instead of shall have been, we will be using the will have been for all. Okay, by next March, uh, in this sentence, in order to make you understand, I use the shall. Okay, in in these two sentences. By next March, we shall have been living here for 4 years. So by next March, we shall have been. We shall have been. This is the indication of the future perfect continuous tense. After shall have been, there is a fourth form of verb. There is fourth form of verb which is living here for 4 years. For 4 years, I shall have been teaching for 20 years next July. Okay, note, this tense is not common to use. Okay, so this is the future perfect continuous tense. So in our last class, we could not discuss about this is how you can do the work of tenses in your language notebooks. So today we are discussing it. Most of the students were very much anxious, and they were sending me texts in my WhatsApp number. So I thought it should have been discussed in the class. So that is why I selected for the class today. Okay, this is the first work, first page of, just assume that this is the first page of your notebook. You have to write the same thing: simple tense, present, past, future. Okay, this would be the heading: simple tense of present simple, past simple, and future simple. So first, we will do the present simple auxiliary, do does plus base form of verb. Base form of verb, you know, that is the first form of verb. This is the chart of the pronoun, first person, second person, and third person. So this is the example chart. I use one example: he writes an application with blue pen. A negative, what would be the negative? He does not write an application with blue pen. Interrogative sentence: does he write an application with blue pen? Interrogative, negative interrogative: does he not write an application with blue pen? You need to focus this sentence. After does not, we are not adding as with right. Okay, after this does he write, we are not adding, we are not putting as here. Okay, right, it is the right. Does he not write? Okay, this is the future present simple tense. Okay, then this is the simple past, past simple, auxiliary date, verb, second form. This is the example: affirmative, positive. I saw him yesterday. Negative sentence, I did not see him yesterday. Look at that. This sentence after did, we are not using saw. We change the form of verb into the first form of verb. Interrogative, did I see him yesterday? Did is the auxiliary. Okay, did I see him yesterday? Intro negative, did I not see him yesterday? So look at these three sentences. After did, we are not using the second form of verb. After did, we are using the first form of verb. Keep it in mind. Most of the students make mistake here in this case. Okay, this is the past simple and this is the future simple. Future simple auxiliary, future simple auxiliary verb, which is will, we will be using. Plus base form of verb, first form. Example, affirmative, positive, he will read his application. Negative sentence, he will not read his application. Interrogative sentence, will he read his application? Question mark. The question mark in the interrogative sentence, you do not forget, please uh, put the question mark. Okay, if you forget to add the question marks, then your marks can be deducted, but not can be, must be deducted. Interrogative, will he not read his application? Okay, will he not read his application, this is the interrogative. Okay, so for now, do you have any query regarding the language work in your notebook? This is the first three slides I have discussed.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, can we make the sentences by our own?
yes, you can make the sentence by on, but keep on concentrating over your grammatical mistakes. Okay,
Okay.
so
Thank you.
this is the first three sentences, three tenses. Uh, Present simple, past simple, and future simple. So next, this is the chart of the continuous tense. Okay, so continuous tense of all present, past, future. First, we will be discussing about the present continuous tense. Okay, the chart of the pronoun will be like that. Okay, I have you may see that made a very comprehensive chart in order to understand where do we use is, am, are. Okay, by means of this chart you can easily understand. I is the first person singular, this is the singular, we will be using am, you will use am. First person plural, we, you will use are, I am, we are. Second person singular and plural, both, you are. Third person singular, he, she, it is, he is, she is, it is. Third person plural, they are. Achha, we have studied and we have discussed this all points in the last tenses classes. Okay, affirmative, positive, they you can say the positive sentence and the affirmative sentence. Okay, they are fetching refreshments for the chief guest. Okay, negative sentence, this is the negative one, they are not fetching refreshments for the chief guest. Interrogative sentence, are they fetching refreshments for the chief guest? And there is the question mark. Okay, interrogative, are they not fetching refreshment for the chief guest, this is the question mark. You cannot hear my voice, Hamza Haris. Why there would be a problem in your microphone? Okay. Okay. As I have told you all that please keep entering till after starting the class, after the 10 minutes, within the 10 minutes of the starting class, but you are still entering. Please make sure to be punctual. Okay. Interrogative sentence: are they fetching refreshment for the chief guest? Interrogative sentence: are they not fetching refreshment for the chief guest? Okay, this is the present continuous tense, and this is the past continuous tense. This is the chart of the past. For the past auxiliary verb, past continuous auxiliary verb: I was, we were, you were, he, she, it was, they were. They were playing football at 5 p.m. They were not playing football at 5 p.m. Were they playing football at 5 p.m.? Question mark. Were they not playing football at 5 p.m.? Question mark. Okay. Future continuous tense: I will be. There is only one auxiliary verb we are using. Helping verb will be. So by this time tomorrow I will be leaving for Islamabad. By this time tomorrow I will not be leaving for Islamabad. I will be leaving for Islamabad by this. Will I be leaving for Islamabad by this time tomorrow? Question mark. Will I not be leaving for Islamabad by this time tomorrow? Question mark. So this is for the continuous. Do you have any query regarding this? And you have to.
Yeah, I want to ask a question.
Yes, you may ask. That is why I'm unmute you.
सर जिस तरह आपने बताया कि इसी तरह लाइक आपने इस तरह बताया कि इस तरह होगा तो आपको इसी तरह लिखना है मैं नोटबुक पे
Yes, yes, yes. This is not easy. Okay, do not confuse with the chart I have made. Okay,
Okay.
you can use your scale pencil of to make a chart, or if you want to make a chart. Otherwise you can uh, make uh, as easy as you can. Okay, you can do this work in which way you like, but your work must be presentable.
Sir,
Okay. Yes.
is it necessary to make the chart?
If you make the chart, then you can easily understand where do we use the helping verb.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
So the chart, if you make a chart like that which I have made, you can easily understand which is the singular and which is the first person. You can easily understand which is the plural first person. Okay. You can see that which is which pronoun is the second person singular and the plural. Okay.
Okay.
For your understanding, in order to make you understand, that is why I made this sort of chart. So this is the continuous tenses of all: present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. We have discussed. Okay. And now this is the time of the perfect perfect tense. Present, past, future. Present perfect auxiliary has have plus third form. First person I. This is the singular have. I have told, I have discussed in the first tense. I have, we have, you have. He, she, it has, they have. I have taken my noodles. I have not taken my noodles. Have I taken my noodles? Have, oh, this is the mistake from me. What is the mistake here in this sentence? Interrogative.
Sir, it's question mark.
Question mark.
Question
And
mark.
in the both sentence I forgot to add the question mark, so this is the mistake. Okay, this is the grammatical mistake and the marks must be deducted. Okay, please do not make sure to put the question mark. In front of you I am adding the question mark, that it's a,
Okay.
actually this is very necessary to add the question mark, that is why I have added the question mark here. Okay. Past perfect. I had. This is the only one. There is only one auxiliary verb had. We have to use. So there is no any discrimination. You had done this job very nicely. You had not done this job very nicely. Had you done this job very nicely? Had you not done this job very nicely? Okay, this is the past perfect. Keep it in your mind that in all the perfect tenses we will be using the third form of verb, which is the past participle form of verb. Future perfect tense auxiliary will have plus third form. First person. We will be using the same auxiliary verb. Will have. Affirmative sentence. I will have taken my revenge. Negative. I will not have taken my revenge. Will I have taken my revenge? Question mark. Not have taken my revenge? Question mark. Future perfect. Present perfect continuous tense. I have been, we have been, you have been, he, she, it has been, they have been. Police have been patrolling since morning. Police have not been patrolling since morning. Have police been patrolling since morning? Have police not been patrolling since morning? This is the present perfect continuous tense. Okay, timing intimation is very necessary in the present perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense had been the same auxiliary verb will be using to with the all pronoun. He had been running out of money for a month. He had not been running out of money for a month. Had he been running out of money for a month? Question mark. Had he been not running out of money for a month? Question mark. This is the future perfect tense. Will have been the same auxiliary verb we will be using. She will have been teaching next year for 2 months. She will not have been teaching next year for 2 months. Will she have been teaching next year for 2 months? Will she not have been teaching next year for 2 months? Okay, this is the work of the tenses which you have to complete in your notebooks. Now, do you have any query? Still, I have unmuted you all to tender, so that you can tender your query. Yes. Any question up to now?
No.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you please repeat the slide of past continuous?
Okay, I can. Okay, you were just telling me about the past perfect continuous. You want the past perfect continuous or past perfect? Okay, this is the past perfect continuous. I had been, we had been, you had been, he, she, it had been, they had been. He had been running out of money for a month. He had not been running out of money for a month. Had he been running out of money for a month? Question mark. Had he not been running out of money for a month? Question mark. Okay. The same auxiliary verb we will be using with the all pronoun. This is the past perfect continuous. Okay, this is the past perfect. The had is the auxiliary verb in the past perfect, and the third form. I had, we had, you had, he, she, it had, they had. You had done this job very nicely. You had not done this job very nicely. Had you done this job very nicely? Had you not done this job very nicely? Okay. This is the exercise. This is the ongoing exercise I have made for you. Okay, and keep it in your mind. We are running out of the time, and this is the worksheet for the ongoing class.
सर आपकी आवाज बहुत हल्की हो गई है.
This is the worksheet for the ongoing class. Okay.
They have been.
So,
सर पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस का दिखा दें.
So they have been.
first of all, try to complete this worksheet. Okay. Then we will discuss the another thing, the past perfect continuous. Okay. Wait. You
Sir,
are in
they
waiting.
have been in Chicago.
Yes.
No सर पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस.
But
Continuous.
okay. Okay. heard you, but I am saying that please complete this exercise first. Okay, then we will discuss the past continuous tense. Okay, clear it. Put the
Yes.
right form of verb in the blank. They dash
Have been.
in Chicago for 20 years.
They
Have been.
have been.
They have been in Chicago for 20 years. Okay, how do you recognize this sentence? You recognize this sentence with the intimation of the time. Okay,
Yes.
okay. I dash a wonderful film in the cinema last night.
I saw.
I saw. So this is the last night over here written. So you need to put the second form of verb. You need to make the sentence in the past tense. Okay. So I saw a wonderful film in the cinema last night. Okay. The sun dash at 6:38 yesterday morning. Rise. The sun rose at 6:38 yesterday morning. Only one student is participating, although I have unmuted you all. The sun dash when the climber reached Mount Everest.
The sun shone.
Shown.
The sun shone when the climber reached Mount Everest. Okay. Look at the sentence again. The sun shone at 6:38. Sorry, where is the sentence? The sun shone when the climber reached Mount Everest. Both sentence you are making in the same sentence. In the past content in the past tense, for all the past tense, is it right? To your or your both clauses will be in the past tense. It is right.
No, sir. The sun had shone.
Had shown or the sun was dash shining when the sun was shining when the climber reached Mount Everest.
The sun was shining.
This is the continuity, or there would be a continuity of an action now when the climber reached the Mount Everest. There should be a
Yes.
continuity of an action.
Yes.
Okay. The sun was shining when the climber reached Mount Everest. I promise that I dash this secret to anyone.
Shall not tell.
I shall not tell, or I will not tell. Okay. According to British rule, I shall not tell, and according to American rule, I will not tell.
Yes.
Unfortunately, just as we got to the airport, their plan dash off. Look at this sentence. As we got to the airport. This is the same sentence.
Was taking off.
Was taking off. Okay. Only one student is participating. Again, I am intimating you all. Though you all are in unmute mode. Why the other students are not participating? This is very, very much confusing for me. Please participate, try to participate, try to say. Unfortunately, just as we got to the airport, their plane was taking off. The question of number 7, sorry. They dash to watch the movies only once in a while.
Went.
They will go.
They
They
Go.
they
So they
dash
went.
They will go.
only once in a while. Find this sentence. This is the past action or the present action or the habit action or the routine work. Find it out. Okay, you are saying they will go to they will what are you
went.
saying? They
They
went.
will go.
They will go to
Went.
watch the movies only once in a while. It would be like that. And they went to watch the movies only once in a while this is the right sentence. And they go to the they go to watch the movies only once in a while. This sentence can be made in in all three tenses. Okay.
Okay.
I was tired yesterday because I dash well the night before.
Did not sleep.
Did not
Did not sleep well.
sleep. Did not sleep.
The night the action was completed now. So what happened?
Did not sleep.
Did not sleep. I was tired yesterday because I had not slept well the night before. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Sentence number 9. Someone dash to our conversation.
Will
Has been
listen.
listening.
No. Someone dash to our conversation. Find the
Has been listening.
action. No. Is there
Will listen.
is there time intimation if you are saying has been listening?
No.
No. So this is the continuity of an action, but in what are you saying, beta? Someone
Will listen.
no will listen to our this is this is the ongoing this is the scenario of the ongoing situation.
Will be listening.
No. Someone is listening to our conversation. In present continuous tense. Okay. This is the present form of sentence. Someone is listening to our conversation. Okay.
Okay.
When I left the house this morning, it dash already rain. When I left
It
the
was
house,
already raining.
it was already raining. Okay, good. This is the exercise for the ongoing session, and I have made the another one for your homework.
Sir, do we need to do these all sentences in our notebook, or they were just for our practice?
This is for you just practice just like that. In the classes, in the ongoing classes, you will be having some worksheets now. This is the worksheet
Okay.
which you paste in your copy, okay, in your notebook.
Okay.
So this is a sort of worksheet, and the homework the home assignment is that you have to complete your work. Okay.
Okay.
Complete your all tenses work in your notebook. So
Yes.
this is for the today's class. We have discussed these all thing, this exercise, and uh, the tenses worksheet we have also discussed. So is there any query up to now?
No.
No. For the class tomorrow, you are having an assignment that is unit 2. Okay, we will be discussing in the class tomorrow unit 2. As we are running out of the time today, so that is why we cannot discuss it today. So this is